At Best Vinyl, we build better fences. In fact, we don't just install fences, we engineer a fence system that we stand behind. What is an engineered fence? It's not one single thing. It's a full system that uses the best products combined with innovative installation techniques to create a fence that lasts a lifetime. Like most industries, ours has existing standards. But at Best Vinyl, standard isn't good enough. We've put a lot into creating groundbreaking solutions to customers' biggest concerns. Through the years, we've found people have three key concerns about their new vinyl fence. 1, how long will it last? 2, will it blow down? And 3, can it be damaged? Now, you probably know that vinyl fences are inherently long-lasting and maintenance-free. But did you know that when it comes to overall strength and trouble-free service, your fence company is in complete control? It's true. Your fence company controls how long your new fence will last, whether or not it blows down, and how easily your new fence is damaged. At Best Vinyl, we take that responsibility seriously, and we address these concerns with better engineering and written warranties. So, about those three questions. How long will it last? Your engineered fence system is built to last a lifetime. To make sure it delivers, Best Vinyl gives you lifetime warranties in writing. We've gone to great lengths to ensure we use the best materials on the market. Our materials warranty is our promise to you that there will be no deterioration of your fence or its color for as long as you own your home. And if there is, we'll make it right. Our fences are wind rated up to 110 miles per hour. The best materials are nothing without skilled installation. Our labor warranty is our promise to you that your fence will be free from installation defects. Will it blow down? Fences built with poorly mixed concrete, no reinforcements, and ununified fence panels are all too common. Some fences on the market claim to be reinforced, yet have hollow inner channels. Our fences are engineered with internal stiffening rods and fortified with bottom stiffeners, and the panels are unified with interlocking slats. The top rails are then locked in place with metal post inserts, not drywall screws, ensuring a cohesive build. You get twice the wind rating, twice the sturdiness, and twice the engineered strength. Don't be fooled by low-priced, misrepresented imitations. They may claim to have the same wind rating, but the only 110 mile per hour wind-rated fences on the market have fence panels with 5-foot, 8-inch post spacings, interlocking slats, and stiffening rod reinforcement. Best Vinyl's fences have all of that, with metal reinforcements to boot. In fact, we're so adamant about our fence's strength that we enlisted another state-of-the-art wind tunnel testing company to verify our ratings. Can it be damaged? Nothing is indestructible if you try hard enough, but some fences don't put up much of a fight. Unreinforced, ununified fences are remarkably susceptible to damage. High wind gusts blow out unreinforced, ununified panels easily. Teenagers run through unreinforced, ununified panels easily. Large dog breeds punch out unreinforced, ununified panels easily. Unreinforced slats bow under the heat of the summer sun quickly and easily. How do you prevent that? By buying a stronger fence in the first place. With Best Vinyl, every fence section is vertically and horizontally reinforced, and every fence panel is unified with interlocking slats, making our fences strong enough for real-life use. If you want a fence engineered with strength, a guarantee that it will last, and trouble-free service, you can't afford cheap. Think Best Vinyl.